It takes best-in-class manufacturing to create the gaskets professional technicians trust. At our facility in Skokie, Illinois, the Fel-Pro team stays focused to deliver the highest levels of quality and process excellence, ensuring consistent performance in every part they produce.
Fel-Pro is focused on making the highest quality gaskets. We use the best materials and equipment. We build quality into every step of the process. Everyone is working towards the same goals. We have a lot of quality and customer-focused people here who take a lot of pride in what they do and do what it takes to make sure the technician is happy. Our press operators have been here for an average of 17 years. They care about what they do, that this million-square-foot facility runs smoothly, and we can produce more than 325,000 gaskets every day. That's our best in class, and it means when a technician opens the box, they've always got the right parts and technology for the job.